Hello and welcome back to another Welsh Phrase of the Week. My name's William Hugh and I'm a Welsh learner. Now it's always good to be able to talk about the weather because it's a universal icebreaker. And as the weather's going a bit colder now, this phrase should come in very handy. And the phrase is, Mae'n oer heddiw yn dydy. Mae'n oer heddiw yn dydy. Which means, it's cold today, isn't it? Mae'n oer heddiw yn dydy. I'll say it slower so you can get the pronunciation. Mae'n oer heddiw yn dydy. Mae'n oer heddiw yn dydy. It's cold today, isn't it? Well, there you go. That's all for today. Until next time, hwyl fawr i chi.